at that, flowers in it, flowers, okay? This is art. Local in Seattle. I'm Kelly Hanson. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I am beyond pumped about today's video. I'm going to the best of the best bubble tea shops in Seattle. There's so many different options. It's a little overwhelming, so I want to narrow down the list to 4, count them, 4 for you. And today I'm in South Lake Union going to Moo Bar. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me so much. It actually allows me to continue to do these fun videos in the city that you and I both love. So I appreciate you so much for watching. And today we have a very special guest because there is no way in heck I can drink all of these by myself. And that special guest, excuse me ma'am. Oh, hi! Your name is also Kelly, so this can be a little confusing. So, Kelly, talk to the local lensers. Introduce yourself.
Hi, local lensers. I am Kelly Lee with just one E. I'm also from Seattle, grew up here all my life, and now we thought it would be fun to do a little Kelly Squared action in the city of Seattle.
It's kind of perfect, Kelly Squared. It's like, it just writes itself.
I feel like I'm the young Kelly and you're like the...
Whoa! Whoa!
No, but we are
fire.
So I'm gonna make the Moo special, and that's our signature drinks. Drink number 2. So we're gonna make the matcha latte.
Yeah.
So our matcha is hand whisked. So the third one I'm gonna make is the ube latte.
Ube. But what is ube? I don't even know what's ube.
So ube is from a type of plant. It's purple jam.
I can't believe they're allowing us to have 9. 9. I thought they'd give us like 1. What? Now it's taste test time.
Holy freaking crap. Why is there so many? Like blessings on blessings.
Which one do you want?
The matcha.
Boom.
I'm dibs.
I want to start on the ube. What is this?
So good. I love matcha. The tapioca is not too sweet. It's very chewy. I love the consistency. Yeah.
Yes.
Round 2.
Sparkling water in it, so that one's actually like not caffeinated.
I am shook. This is like interesting. Hold on.
This is amazing. This would be really good on a hot day. For 4. That's very smooth, very classic.
I would eat this with a side of tacos.
Okay, last one. This is the coffee
What
one.
time is it? I mean, I can't usually have coffee after.
He did say if you drink all of this, you could be up like all night. It's pretty strong. So that's why I gift it to you.
Well, I did miss The Bachelor yesterday. I taped it so I could watch it. Have you watched this week?
I have watched this season. I haven't watched The Bachelor in like years, and I actually started watching it because I do love Matt. I think he is the nicest guy. Shout out to you, Matt.
We love Matt's.
Oh, we're amazing. Okay, today I'm in the University District and I'm going to Don't Yell at Me. So let's see what their bubble tea is all about.
So the display is all our ingredients. We'll start off with rose milk tea. This is the golden honey pearl.
Do you guys make the boba in-house or the pearls?
Yeah, we make the pearls, it's still warm, so we make a few batches every day. And then the one that she's making right now will be the ROSELLE honey chrysanthemum. And that's the actual flour that we cook the tea with. We're gonna do the tiramisu milk tea. And tiramisu milk tea, for the presentation, we make them in different layers and we put a cheese foam on top of it with the cocoa powder. So it tastes really similar to the actual tiramisu.
Okay, so they've already made me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drinks so far. Best day ever. So I'm gonna start moving these so we can start the taste test. Look at how many I get to try. This is right in the University District, so if you go to UW or you live in the area, it's awesome. The aesthetic, as you can see, is so clean and crisp and white, and they have swag. I'm here for it. So many intricate, beautiful, look at that, flowers in it, flowers, okay? This is art. 9. Lavender milk tea with the golden honey pearl. Oh wow. That's very zen. That tastes like a spa day. The pearls are amazing. The texture and everything, you can tell they're super fresh. Number 2 to try. Ooh, that cheese film is bomb. Number 3, this is the wild.
The ROSELLE honey chrysanthemum.
Oh geez,
Yeah.
you might need to come in and say that title.
And that one is really refreshing because it's sweet and sour.
It's very refreshing, you're right. It tastes kind of like a, look at the layers on that. This is probably the best thing I've ever tried. Rose milk tea. Melon. I think I'm more of a milk tea gal though. I think I like the cream. More calories, who knows? Don't mind my bubble tea graveyard. Last one, look at this, the brown sugar one. I knew that would be good. My biggest problem right now is I don't know how to carry all of this in my car. We gotta rate it every single time. 10 out of 10, for sure. This place is a must stop. And on to the next. Bye. Okay, they gave me all of those drinks to go and sealed them up so I can have them today and tomorrow. It's unreal, look at this. Okay, and now I am headed to meet Kelly Lee, it's Kelly Squared, and we are going to drip tea in Capitol Hill because I can't keep having all of these teas by myself. I need some help, so I'm grabbing Kelly. I'm really excited about drip tea because they have these like bear cups that are so cute on Instagram. I'm obsessed. Let's find Kelly.
I saw what you were wearing today, so I copied you.
Oh my gosh, Kelly Squared, we're crushing it.
So what I'm making for you guys right now is probably our most popular drink for sure. It's called the MONOGRAM. 2 servings of boba, so if you're a huge boba fan, you would love this.
Sold
me. It's made with a brown sugar sauce, and what we do is we smear it around the cup so it kind of looks kind of like tiger stripes on there. Our drinks are inspired by a lot of designers. So originally this started off as a concept store. Nerd. Ooh. This one is our BFF. This is one of my personal favorites just because I find it super refreshing. And then it's just a strawberry lychee slush. You're a pog. So it's the passion fruit, orange, and guava. So this is the Post Melona.
Post Melona.
Which probably has the funniest name for sure. Have you guys heard of Melona bars before? It's like it's like the Korean ice cream bar. Yeah, I love those. I can eat those in like one sitting for sure. But that's pretty much what it tastes like. So it's the honeydew smoothie, and then we just add a scoop of ice cream on top.
Oh, we're gonna fight over this. Taste test time. Our favorite part.
So we have 5 drinks.
5 drinks, so we're definitely gonna fight over the last one because it has ice cream in it. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors for it because COVID.
I'm gonna win though.
You're gonna win. And it's not as graceful as I wanted it to be. Boom.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
That is a kick in your mouth.
That straight up tastes like a nerd candy.
Okay, we have to move to the next one before we get too full. BFF drink. Has a lot of strawberry pieces in it. Again, kind of like a little smoothie.
This one is the MONOGRAM.
Brown sugar.
Mmm. Ooh.
You went in for round 2. The Fear of Pog is still number 1 for me.
Okay.
Because this just seems so fresh. This one just seems more tame, I guess.
Okay.
If you want kind of just more of a berry
Kelly doesn't like to be
I don't
tame.
Like, I don't like tame.
These are my 2 favorite drinks, I think, so far.
Whoa.
Out of our whole tour, I actually think.
Whoa. Now the moment of truth. Who gets to try the Post Melona? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
It's heating up.
Okay.
Kelly's such a trooper though, because before this she literally had 9 drinks before by herself.
By myself.
So the fact that she's still wanting to fight for this is really a warrior spirit.
It's Kelly's.
It tastes like the Melona bars. So good.
I'm gonna say 8 out of 10 with the smoothies, only because I think I like more like milkier and maybe not as sweet. Like you can kind of taste a lot of the syrups.
I'm saying 9 out of 10. I think that if I got the sweetness level to be a bit lower, because I feel like I'm gonna get diabetes after this, knock on wood. Other than that, everything tastes great. Like, super authentic.
And there is one more, count it, one more location tomorrow. We're being very diligent.
Kind of cool. There's a poke place and a bubble tea place in the same place, so you can eat and get your drink. Kind of cool. So let's try some of their favorites. What are we starting with?
So we're gonna start with the brown sugar. Have fresh boba all the time. We usually run out like one full pot of boba like every day. The lifeless peachy. Get the peach syrup, pea flour.
Pea flour.
Yeah, so it comes from a flour. The white peach oolong milk.
I get to try 3 of the top flavors. The cool thing about this place is you can actually make your own tea. That is very sweet. If you are a peach fan, you gotta try this. That is like summer in a glass. We'll call this summer in a glass. I'm renaming it. Okay, next. This one is delicious. Some of the other ones I tried were really, really sweet, and this is with the regular sugar in it. So I feel like you could even do 50%, but it's super smooth. Last one to try, the 3rd top seller. It's this white peach one. This one is very tea-y. Tea? Is tea a word? So it might be my least favorite out of the 3. I think if you're a big avid tea drinker, you're probably gonna be obsessed with this one. I'm gonna rate it a 8.5 out of 10 for sure. Very different from all the different places. Now I kind of understand why there's so many locations, I guess, for bubble tea in Seattle, because every single place is different. But anyways, if you like this video, as always, please like and subscribe. You never know what I'm gonna do next. This is the guide to the city you and I both love. So if you have any suggestions on where I should go next and help other small businesses, please put it in the comments, and who knows, you might see me in your neighborhood here soon. So again, thank you so much for watching. You make my job so fun, and you let me keep doing this. So I appreciate you. Until next time, bye.